open YouTube. Hey, you can see that I just command here and don't touch anything and it's open automatically. So how I can do it and how you can also do it, in this video we will talk about this. This is Mohammed Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. In this video we will talk how you can run your mobile phone by speaking and commanding it without any touch here in your mobile phone, and it will work. So how you can do it, to know about that you need to watch this video till to the end. Before just starting that video, there is a bit request from me. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to install an app in your this mobile phone, and here I will give you that app link in the description below. And what that app, to know about that, here we need to go to this Google Play Store and you will get this here. So here guys, this app is the voice access, and here you need to install it, and after just installing it for the first time, now you need to open it there, and I've already clicked here to open. Now click on the OK to turn on there, and here from I need to search out this voice access from here and make this voice access and make it the OK. So here's it's OK, the turn on. Now go to the back from here, and here it requires a permission from here to continue. Now click on this continue, and here you need to allow this to manage your phone, and now click on the next. Now click on the next again, and here guys it will send you in this page. Now from here click on this next from here. Now click on this next from here. Now click on the next and next, and here click on the finish, and here from you need to click on this switch access. So from here you need to make it on from here. Now go to the back from here. Now click on the next and next and next, and now click on the OK, next it and OK, and here make it next finish. So here we are there to go for here. Now go to the back, and here you needn't to do anything from here, and here you can see that they have a bubble is there. Now click on this bubble and it will work. Now here your everything is okay. Now I will show you the demo. Now from here I see him open YouTube, and here you can see that it's open the YouTube automatically, and I don't touch anywhere to open my YouTube. And here guys you can see that everything is now just fine. Now from here I want to make it scroll down 15. Now I want to open up this, so from here 25, and here you can see that it's open 9. Now here from I want to off it 2, and here you can see that it's off. Now I'll open Facebook, and here you can see that my Facebook is open. And by this way you can also turn on everything by just talking with this one by one. So here is the thing, by this way now you can also open up everything in your mobile phone by just talking this command, and here it know some languages like open this specific app name, that time it will open. But here whenever you are there in a specific app, that time here it wants some commands, and for that reason it gives command everywhere in that whole app like this. And here guys you can see that here it gives everything a number, and whenever you just say that number it will work 12, and here it indicates all the 12 number in the smartphone. In this way now you can also do it by yourself. Just talk here, command it, it will answer to you, and here it will work. To work it, just click on this bubble, it will work. But if you want to off this bubble, that time just click here anywhere of your screen, that time it will off. And here by this way now you can also give the command by your mouth, it will take it and open up it or close down it as you wish. So yes guys, this is the thing that I want to show you, and I hope it will be really enjoyable things for you, so that you can also open up it there in your mobile phone too. And here guys, I think now you are also trying it in your mobile phone. I think it will be really interesting for you guys, and if you guys feel it as interesting, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends and so on. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.